Snipe Squad, what is going on? Back again, it is your boy Sniper Jones, and we are back with another video for head top. What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video, man. Thank y'all for tuning in to yet another banger for head top. Today I have a very special unboxing for you guys. I hit on a pair of sneakers that I think people just don't care about at the end of the day, man. It's sad to say. Now, this video is brought to you by who you already know, Reshoevn8r, okay? I keep telling y'all because y'all keep sleeping. Reshoevn8r is the best sneaker cleaner in the game, hands down. Nobody's better, okay? Now, if you guys want your shoes to be clean or if you want to prevent them from being dirty, I always tell you guys to head over to Reshoevn8r because they have the best products, and it works, man. It's countless videos you can go look on Instagram. It's countless videos you can go look on YouTube. A lot of people use this product. Me personally, I use them on all my sneakers. I have a promo code, Sniper. Up there, man, you use the discount code whenever you go to Reshoevn8r.com, and it saves you 10%, and it also helps me out as well. So once again, if you support me, if you support the channel, head over to Reshoevn8r, buy you some Reshoevn8r, and use discount code Sniper. I appreciate it. This week is the week of SNKRS Chicago, man. Shout out to everybody who's out there at SNKRS Chicago. Hopefully you watching this video as you online or doing whatever you're doing right now. Shouts out to you guys. As you can see, I'm at the crib right now. I will not be attending SNKRS Chicago. It's cold, man. It's cold. It's actually cold in Atlanta. I don't know what's going on in Atlanta right now, but on me, bro, it's like 30 degrees outside. I can't go like that. If it was gonna be this cold, I could have just stayed in Cleveland. You know what I'm saying? I could have stayed in Cleveland. Cleveland was like 30 degrees, 20 degrees, it was terrible, bro. I ain't gonna hold you. I could have stayed in Cleveland for this weather. Why would I move to Atlanta to be cold? When I watched the movie ATL before I moved here, it wasn't like this. Bamboozle! Alright guys, make sure you follow me on Instagram and Twitter if you're not already doing that, man. It's in your bottom left hand corner. And of course, it's down below in the description as well. But I know y'all probably telling me talking, y'all want to get to the sneaker, but I don't know why y'all act like I can't talk to y'all. I mean, y'all are like my family. Y'all are like my family, but I mean, we do have like a special bond here. I mean, this channel is for me to be able to sit here and talk to y'all. Golly, man, y'all done got bougie on your boy Snipe. It done got to the point where I can't even chop it up with y'all no more. But it's all good, man. Let's get into the unboxing because I know that's what y'all here for. This sneaker right here, okay? If you guys follow me on Instagram, I recently posted a pic because they dropped this sneaker box in front of my house, of course, with the huge Just Do It tape, aka Just Steal It. Listen, okay, I was mad at Nike for doing this, but I mean, it gotta kind of fold on UPS at the same, because you just can't drop packages off like this at somebody's crib. Now, I'm only mad at Nike because of the Just Do It tape. If you look at it differently, they did get rid of the huge Nike swoosh that used to be on the boxes. So if you guys remember the old boxes, it'd be like a swoosh here with Just Do It tape, and now they just got Just Do It tape. I just don't think it's smart. I don't see, you know, Adidas putting Adidas tape. I don't see Champion putting Champion tape. Nobody does this but y'all. So it's like, y'all gotta calm down. UPS workers are regular people. You know what I'm saying? They do steal too. No disrespect to UPS. I know, you know what I'm saying, a lot of people DM me on Instagram that work for UPS that watch me. No disrespect. I'm not calling you a thief. But you know your coworkers is. Some of y'all is. What we got in here, man? I want y'all to guess what these is, man. I've been hitting a lot on sneakers app lately. I've hit on like 3 pair Off-Whites. I hit on some Jordans. The Bread 11 shock dropped. I did not hit on that. I think a shock drop dropped in a shock drop dropped. That's so crazy. But a shock drop did release in Chicago for everybody who's around the area for the Air Jordans, the Air Force One Cactus Jack, Travis Scott, whatever you want to call it. Still on the fence about that, to be honest. And as you can imagine, I still can't find my unboxing knife, so I'm just stuck here with the safety, whatever you want to call it, box cutter. So that's how we're gonna open up the box today. I'm mad about that because I really like that box cutter. It's somewhere around here, but I just gotta find it. Here we have the sneaker we have been waiting for, guys. This is the Air Jordan 1. Is this a Fearless? Well, size 12, of course, but it is a Fearless, but however, it's not the Fearless 1. Yes, it's super late, just because it's been over there, actually, packed up in a box, just waiting for me to unbox it. I've been busy, alright? I've been busy. Y'all already know, man, on the paper, you know what I'm saying, that I couldn't read last time, it says limits like fears are often just an illusion. So, you know, that's just one of Michael Jordan's quotes. I already know that. The fear card that comes inside of the package. And last but not least, let's get into the shoe. Here we have the Air Jordan Blue, the great, and the size 12 looking good. Shoe looks good, man. If y'all remember, I was just out in Orlando and I did a pickup vlog, but I never did a review. I hit for my pair, okay? I've been had this pair. of course, y'all see the box. I had to wait for sneakers, but I did a review kind of like, or a pickup vlog with my boy Flight, because Flight got these in store. How Flight even hit for these in store was crazy. So me and Break was like in the car, and I was talking about how I hit on sneakers and Break hit on sneakers, and Flight was like, look, I didn't even try to win on sneakers. Once I go inside the mall, I'm gonna get them in. We like, you know what I'm saying? Like, what are you talking about, bro? We are under this suspicion because they sold out on sneakers. So we like, look, they're not gonna be at the mall. You know what I'm saying? This is a limited shoe. It's kind of hard to get. On top of that, you know, we don't even know like what mall we're going to. We in the middle of Orlando. Like, I've never been to Orlando. We just went to a random mall, and they gonna have them. And sure enough, bro, I cannot make this up. The first store we walked into was a House of Hoops right by the entrance. Like, the entrance was here, and the store was like right there. It's right by the exit. We walk in, and they said, do you have the Air Jordan 1 Blue the Great mid? And dude said, yes, but I'm sorry, we only have a size 14. Like, what, bro? You can't make it up. You cannot make it up, bro. So shout out to Flight on that, man. So like I said, he got his pair, Bray got his. I'm just not sure if people are keeping them. Me personally, why not keep them, man? I don't have any Air Jordan 1 mids in my entire collection. As I made a video earlier in the year, I was just asking, like, are Jordan 1 mids back cool? Because it was like a long period of time where these were not accepted. And today, the Melody of shiny joints dropped. They sold out instantly quick. They'll resell for so much. I love that shoe. I actually love that shoe more than this one. But of course, it was female sizes only. Your boy Snipe is like yacht feet gang with the size 12, so I couldn't go for it. And also, this shoe sold out as well, man. So I feel like the Air Jordan 1 mid, when it comes to at least the Fearless, is getting some love. I don't really expect them to do too much outside of the Fearless pack, just because it is an Air Jordan 1 mid. Like, the Air Jordan 1 high gets the love, and after that, it's the Air Jordan 1 low. The middle is the middle child, so it does not get the same amount of respect. I don't know. It's a late video. I know a lot of you guys already probably picked this up, so I'm not going to do a full review on them because I know, you know, y'all already got them. I can do is give you a quick little breakdown on the sneaker, man, because it's made by an artist named Blue the Great, and he was an artist. And what's dope about this is, like, this shoe actually entails a lot of him. He loved primary colors. That's why the shoe is like very colorful. I'm gonna just go ahead and put this on the sneaker and let y'all just see. Do y'all see the color blocking pattern that is in this Air Jordan 1, man? Fire. Y'all see that blue right there on the back of the sneaker? It's smooth. The material is very, very smooth. Almost like a rugged suede on the toe box right here. And then the rest is like a softer, less hairier suede on the entire shoe. And then when it gets to like this Nike swoosh right here on the side panel, it's like a corduroy type feeling right here on the white part, but then it goes back like a hairy, rugged suede on the Nike swoosh as well. So it's a lot of different materials going into the Air Jordan 1, but it's just fire, man. Look at it. So far, so good with the Air Jordan 1 Fearless, man. I mean, it's not really too much to complain about. They have been doing a great job with the releases that they've been putting out. The only sneaker I think that was kind of trash was the women's pair. The women's Air Jordan 1 Fearless, it was like that black and gold pair. Like, that was trash. I ain't gonna hold you. That was cheeks, all right? That was cheeks. I ain't gonna hold you. You know what I'm saying? That was definitely cheeks. But I mean, just about everything else has been like spot on the money. So like, I really can't complain, man. I mean, this last few months of the year are always the best. You guys know we got the Air Jordan 1 Breads coming out soon. We got the Air Jordan 4 Wooders coming out soon. We got more Yeezys coming out soon. Like, when it's this time, the end of the year, holiday time, it's always the most intense for a sneakerhead because it's going to be so much stuff dropping, man. You can't really keep your hands or your eyes on just about everything. So just stay on the lookout. Stay prepared, man, because it's only going to be more and more sneakers that's going to be coming to us out of nowhere. Let me know your thoughts on the Air Jordan 1 mid down below, the Blue to Grace, and also just let me know how you feel about Air Jordan 1 mids, period. I did not expect this shoe to sell out. I'm not gonna lie, it was kind of a shocker to me that it sold out, and it sold out in stores too. Not gonna hold you, you know what I'm saying? It's a mid, so I just didn't see it coming. The Melody of shinies, I knew those was gonna sell out soon because the resale was like super high. So, you know what I'm saying, I seen that. The resale for these is not that high. So hopefully the people that bought them like them. I know a few resellers got their hands on them, but hopefully, you know, like I said, you know what I'm saying, if you bought them, then you like them some way, somehow. Until next time, man, it is your boy, Sniper Jones. I appreciate y'all for watching. As always, make sure you follow me on Instagram and Twitter. It will be linked down below in the description. I appreciate it. And you already know, before we leave out, I have to say, everybody want to be famous, but who really put in that work, though? Snipe Squad, I love y'all. Dream big.